All English Podcast.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the All English Podcast. Today, we're doing something a little different. We're talking about our daily routines, but not the boring, I wake up, I brush my teeth kind of routine. We're talking about real life, habits, energy, motivation, and how to talk about it in natural English. So, let's dive in. Alright, so let's start with mornings. Emma, what's the first thing you do when you wake up?
Well, I'd love to say I wake up early, meditate, and journal, but honestly, I usually hit the snooze button twice, then I check my phone. I know, bad habit, and finally drag myself out of bed.
Haha, I think everyone can relate. For me, I actually try not to look at my phone for the first 30 minutes. I drink a big glass of water and stretch a bit. It helps me feel awake.
That's smart. I've heard that your morning routine really sets the tone for your day.
Exactly. And here's a quick English tip when you talk about habits. Use the present simple tense. Like, I usually wake up at 7. I have breakfast with my family. I go for a run before work. Simple, natural, and real.
So after breakfast, I usually start my work. I work from home, so my commute is, like, 5 steps to my desk.
Nice. And how do you stay focused? Working from home can be tricky.
I always make a to-do list, just 3 main tasks. That way, I don't get overwhelmed. And I listen to lo-fi music. It keeps me calm and focused.
That's a great tip. For students listening, you can say, I study English for 1 hour in the morning. I usually take a break every 30 minutes. These are natural ways to describe your study routine.
Exactly. And I think routine gives you a kind of structure, like discipline. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent.
Love that. Actually, that's a great vocabulary word, consistent. It means doing something regularly without giving up. So, what about evenings? Do you have a relaxing routine, or are you still working late?
I try not to work after 8 p.m. I cook dinner, usually something simple, like pasta or Turkish menemen. Then I watch a TV show or read a book.
Menemen, that's Turkish scrambled eggs with tomatoes, right? Sounds delicious.
Yes, it's quick and easy. And after that, I usually go for a short walk. It helps me clear my mind.
That's perfect. And here's another natural English structure. After dinner, usually. Before bed, I like to. I always. Before I sleep. Little connectors like after, before, then. Finally make your speech sound fluent and connected.
You know, sometimes I feel guilty when I don't follow my routine perfectly.
Yeah, I get that. But the truth is, routines aren't about perfection. They're about direction. If you keep showing up, you're still winning.
That's true. Even doing 70% of your plan is better than giving up completely.
Exactly. So, whether you wake up early or not, just keep moving forward. That's the secret. Before we wrap up, let's review some useful phrases you can use to talk about your daily routine. I usually wake up at. I start my day with. I go to work or school at. I like to unwind by. Before bed, I always.
And remember, your daily routine says a lot about your mindset. The more you talk about it in English, the more confident you'll sound.
Love it. Thanks for joining me, Emma, and thanks to all of you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with a friend learning English. Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing.